started right up. All the way? What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Look what I'm on and look what's going on. It's raining and I'm on the R1M. I don't know how this happened, but we're like, we want to get some shots in the rain. So I'm followed by my friend Steve that you guys have seen on the channel. It's been a long day. Let's start with that. My Instagram account got suspended for whatever reason. I upped the traction control and all that on the bike, and I can feel the bike cutting power because there's no grip at all. Very cold tires, rainy, wet streets. There's nothing about today that gives you traction, so it's gonna be a slow, playing it safe type of day. Very gentle on the throttle. It's still in full power. We're just gonna be taking it easy, at least until we warm up the tires, and then we'll definitely be doing some pulls and stuff like that, even though it's raining. I forgot that riding in the rain kind of hurts when it like hits your skin and you're going like a certain speed. But yeah, I was saying my Instagram got suspended because apparently they didn't tell me the reason at first, but then later on they don't know if it's actually me or something like that, and they just deleted my account, and I was like, what the? So now I have to hire people to get it back and all that. So yeah, it's been a rough start to the day already, but hopefully it ends up being good and we get some cool footage with this beautiful R1M. I should keep my eyes on the road a little bit. Asking him to go into the right lane so I can do a flyby with the exhaust on it, but it's okay. It's really hard to communicate when you're not connected with a Bluetooth set or anything like that. Bro, it is damp. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I can't really see much, and it's really wet, and I feel it being all slippery. So this is a little rough. Oh, I just went on the white lines. That was so slippery. Getting showered right now. Holy. Yeah, I should be extra careful with white lines on the road. Those get extra slippery. Bro, it is so wet. It did not look this soaked when we first left. But yeah, I was saying that my Instagram account got suspended, and I have to deal with that. Apparently, like, you have to verify that it's you, and they did that, and they're like, nope, it's not you. And I was like, Brett, it is me though. Bro, I am soaked. They just, look at my jeans. I'm just splashed right now. My poor knees are gonna be frozen after this. This is so sketchy. I feel like I'm gliding right now on the water. R1M probably hates me right now. It's like, bruh, we don't ride at all, and then when we ride, it's like pouring rain, literally pouring rain. Oh, braking is not the same. Yo. So sketch. Supposed to take the R1M to replace the tires for it, and I got like a 90-degree stem for the tire, but because it's like really raining and I have to go there at night, we're not very sure if I am going to be doing that tonight. But if not tonight, then I'll be doing it tomorrow. Oh my god, bro, I'm like hydroplaning right now. Look at this. You guys see the street? It's like covered in water. This is so sketch. Gotta be really smooth when I do that and release the clutch, because if I release it too abruptly, it's gonna catch quick and then I'm gonna wipe out. These are all little tips for you guys if you're riding in the rain. Riding in the rain 101, giving you guys some tips. I mean, it's been kind of like tips throughout this video, telling you guys some tips. Pretty much you want to be as smooth as possible, extra smooth. You don't want no tire slip whatsoever, because if your tire slips, it's going to be really hard to get traction back, and you're most likely going to wipe out. So you want to be extra gentle with the throttle, extra gentle with the clutch. Every movement you do got to be smooth. Do not slam on your brakes in any case, you know what I mean? Just don't slam on your brakes. Obviously you want to keep it upright as much as possible. The more you lean, the less contact your tire is going to have with the surface, and since the surface is damp, then your tire is probably not getting as hot as it used to. Then you have way less traction. I think those are the main points. If you do these, you should be somewhat good. With the helmet, obviously I would rather if you guys have like a pin lock or something like that, so it doesn't fog up, because currently I cannot see nothing. I forgot to mention, if you guys still want to check out my Instagram, follow me at amk, but with 2 I's. So it's the same name as my old name. I'll put in the link in the description below, but it's the same name as my old name, just that it has 2 I's, and that's kind of like my backup currently. Huh? You alright? Yeah, I'm good. Just, it was, bro, it's like, I didn't see him either, so I'm glad you said something. I was gonna do a pull right there, and you're like... Obviously a big portion of why we do these videos, not just to talk about whatever the topic is, but also I'll ask Steve for the footage, of course, and I'll put it in here for you guys so you guys can appreciate these shots of the R1M, since this bike has been getting no love at all. Also check out Steve's Instagram and YouTube. He does a lot of cool behind the scenes if you guys want to learn how to shoot like him and stuff like that. Look at these shots. Is feeling rowdy. Oh, okay. Do I? I look like I peed myself.
Well, you look real good.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Got the homie Anke out here, and we're vlogging.
Look at the tire. No, yeah.
Double vlog.
Camera. Triple vlog? What's going on here? I'm glad, bro. My junk is soaked. This is not gonna be fun cleaning this bike after this. There's water everywhere.
Half of you, like half of your pants are just like.
Half? What? Oh yeah, it's like when you tan, when you just like one side and you forget to turn around.
It's funny because when you're on the bike, all you see is like just a line.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna hit a little IG vlog, boys.
Camera guy over here. Yeah, let's get it. It's filming? Is it filming?
No.
Dang it, man.
Dang it, man.
Oh, all that work and it's not even filming.
It's time to wake up. Here we go. Let's bring it back. Hold it on. Got it?
Yeah. Whoa. You guys see that?
We're with 29K. He's, I guess, filming B-roll of me filming myself shooting. And we got It's Time to Wake Up, who's also filming B-roll of me filming. R1. If you guys haven't already, just go check out that McLaren video. I would really love that to blow up, and your support is much appreciated. But hopefully we should get some really cool moody shots today as well. And this is really weird being a fan.
Now you know how it feels like when you have a cannon pointing at you.
That was funny.
And all of you in there, all of you in YouTube land, if you want to see more cinematic behind the scenes, follow SStacy13 on YouTube. Actually, I might change that. I might be Steve Stacy Films on YouTube. We'll kind of see.
Yeah, you guys heard that. One of the two.
One of the two. It'll be in the video.
Yeah.
Can we get a K filming B-roll vlog?
What do I do?
Try to get the shots, bro.
I got you.
Shooting, bro.
I got you, brother. I was born for this, kind of, not really.
I was born for this.
Oh shit! Oh shit! He's hitting it.
I can't see. Bro, this is so hard because I can't see the thing. As soon as I change the angle, I'm like, where's the screen? Oh. Should I do it more like smoother?
Yeah. Go again.
All the way? Huh? It does not sound as loud in the helmet, but yeah.
I want to be like you so I can get banned on IG. I'm sorry. Seriously. I don't understand that, man. That makes me so sad, bro.
Don't fall, please. I don't want another fail. My piece that falls down and all.
Hey guys, I'm Kay.
Oh, that's so much weight, man. It's so heavy.
That's what they tell me.
I don't really know what this is getting POV wise, but it should be good. back. Back again. Oh, that smells strong. So much colder with just this one layer. Holy, not the best idea, but doing it for the shots. Slippery when wet. Alright you guys, I'm gonna end this video here. This has been a very random video, but we're shooting in the rain with the R1M, and I'm telling you guys that I'm gonna be riding the R1M a couple more times, so more R1M content coming up for the R1M lovers, and then we're gonna get back to probably the H2R, maybe some other bikes, and we shall see from there. But yeah, definitely the H2R, because it's getting a little bit nicer, and I have parts coming in for the H2R and some for the Rush as well, and we're probably gonna go to a meet with a Rush and a Fireblade, so yeah. You do it! Kid is a savage! Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please drop a like, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace on, ride safe.